So I was just glad bait fishing, as one does in, 100-degree heat, when I stumbled across this lure. I found this super ugly lure just laying around at the lake, which is the perfect setup for making a lure restoration video. So now let's get back to the house. Alright, we're back at the house. Let's get this nasty thing cleaned up. First thing I'm doing is getting rid of this rusty hook because I do not want tetanus. Even though it's super dull, like, I'm just going to cut it off. And that's pretty much just a piece of metal. That could never be a hook. I'm going to throw that away. Next up, we're going to rinse it off just to get that first layer of dirt off. I'm just using dish soap and warm water here. And actually, it wasn't so warm. It was really hot. It burned my hands. Now that we got that first layer off, I'm going to go in with a toothbrush and deep clean it. Well, you heard the man. We're going in with the toothbrush and just getting, like, everything off. So this thing's going to be completely clean. We're also not just using normal dish soap. We're using a chemical wash. Alright, the lure is fully clean, but it has a few scuff marks. I'm not going to paint it. It's just going to have to be like that. It's not too bad. Now we're going to put the hardware in, like hooks and O-rings, and it also needs a set of eyes. If you're wondering what the exact model of the lure is, it's a Strike King Red Eye Shad. And it's a RattleTrap, so, it rattles. They only cost around $5. They're actually really common lures. Right here in the time lapse, you can just see me playing around with the O-rings and putting hooks on it, all that stuff. You'll see me periodically glance up here. That's because I was watching TV while I was filming all of this. This actually looks really nice. Like, those hooks are sharp. Once I get the eyes on, we can just go fishing with it. That took less than an hour. Alright, well, the video of me putting the eyes on cut out, but they're on there, and it actually looks pretty good. The sun's setting right now, so I'm going to go down there and fish a little bit today, and then I'll probably get up in the morning and fish tomorrow. Now we're going to head on down to the lake. Alright, well, it's really pretty out, and it's getting kind of dark, but this is about the size of the third fin shad that are in my lake right now. So I wouldn't be surprised if we catch one. There we go. Oh! I had a bite. You can definitely hear it. It's chirping. It really looks good in the water. Alright, we're now at a different spot. This is kind of like a little creek running through like a ravine. And we're going to throw the RattleTrap. Hit a rock. Bro, I can cast this so far. Oh my god. That's so good because I can just cast right across. Uh-oh. Oh my god. Oh, yeah, fish. Fish. Oh, just jumped out of the water. Oh, oh, snap. That's a lot of. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Good fish. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Good bass. Hope I got that on camera because he is mute. Ow. Let's go. On camera. Let's go. Gotta get him on hook. Hey, nice and easy. That's what we like to do. Fishy. Yeah, he is. Finally got one on camera, dude. Here, can you take this thing off my neck and film me with my phone?
Is it running?
Yep. Alright, perfect. Alright, nice bass on the restored RattleTrap. Get up close shot of this. Oh, come on. Thank you for the bite, buddy.
Oh my god.
Score. Thank you.
I might have got the video. It's hard to tell. The screen is.
After that historic bass, Jake would go on to catch the world record catfish on that same RattleTrap. But then, before he could enjoy his victory, he got sucked through a wormhole, teleporting back in time to Dixon Lake, California, March 2008, where he would hook into Dottie, the world record bass, with that very same RattleTrap. Well, thank you guys for watching. Such an inspirational story at the end. I mean, he truly was a man destined for greatness. Anyways, like and subscribe if you want free RattleTraps that are gonna wash up on your lake score.